Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're pronouncing the name of a fascinating bird. It is most commonly found in the mountainous regions of Europe and Asia, often seen clinging to rocky cliffs and walls. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as Wallcreeper, Wallcreeper, Wall, Creep, Wallcreeper. It is known for its striking red and black wings and unique climbing ability, often fluttering along cliff faces to catch insects. You can check out other videos for more. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share more words you'd like us to pronounce in the comments below. See you next time.